New feature alert. Flashcards in Gemini.
All right, welcome back to Tech Tips with Cameron, and today we have another new feature alert. Today's feature is very, very cool, and it's something that was available to users 18 plus prior, but now it is available to all users under 18. So very practical and hands-on, and it is flashcards. We can get interactive flashcards.
That's groovy.
So imagine you're teaching biology, grade 11 university prep, and we are deciding that we need to show our students how they can study for a quiz that's coming up. Well, what I would do is, if let's imagine we were looking at the genetic process, this will have a lot of good questions that can help the students practice the concepts that they have learned with flashcards. Flashcards are not the end all and be all. They are not the total sum of teaching, but they are a nice little handy tool. So I've just put in Ontario grade 11 biology and just asked, can you please generate some flashcards to help me study for my upcoming quiz on hereditary characteristics? Let's see what happens. And in about 35 seconds, we can see that there are 25 different flashcards, starting off with hereditary, flipping through to the core concepts that connect to grade 11 biology, especially with regards to the hereditary characteristics. So pretty awesome that students can just do this. We can teach our students grade 7 and up with a permission form how they can use Gemini to prep them for a quiz. Making flashcards can be very time consuming, also helpful in a lot of ways. But if they want it faster, this is one great way to do it. Now let's think about elementary. In elementary, oftentimes we are practicing multiplication tables, those sorts of things, and flashcards are so helpful and expensive. So if you wanted to build flashcards using Gemini and have them flash up at the front of the classroom to help students practice, you can do that. As long as the students aren't directly interacting with the AI, you're good. You can show them the AI. They can learn about the AI. They should learn about the AI.
That's too much AI.
So I've just asked to please generate flashcards for multiplication tables 3 through 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 by 12. Perfect. So we'll submit and see what they do. And you can see it's generated all 48 flashcards, and it starts off in order. But they have this awesome button right here to just shuffle them up. So you can click shuffle as often as you want, and we can pull them up, and we can practice together with our class, just having them up. Again, flashcards, not the end all and be all of teaching, but what a cool feature, and it can save you some time. Hope that helps. Bye-bye.